We're going to remove the camshaft covers, which old school we referred to these as valve covers. First, let me see if I can get this PVC valve connector off. Well, that sure was nice and easy. So we will take these covers off. All right, loosening these up just as quickly as we can. Need to pry it off. And there we are. All right, this piece of rubber here is our seal, which I'm gonna go ahead and pull off, but we're gonna replace this seal when it comes time to put these on to the other engine. All right, let's go ahead and take these out. As we take this guy off. And so we've now removed the valve covers. Went a little bit quicker than we expected. We're gonna take this cover that's over the front cover. We're gonna remove that first. I'm gonna try to leave the water pump in place, and maybe we'll be able to not have to remove all of this and replace the gasket. I'm gonna try this on our lowest power on 1. Doesn't work, we're gonna switch to 2 and then to 3. All right, let's continue removing the rest of the bolts. We've got the same size bolts going all the way around, except for this big one right here. I see we've got a bolt right here, which is not gonna come out unless we remove this piece here. Pull these out completely. Yes, I did. There it is. There is a gasket here, so we are going to have to remove that. And there, since there is a gasket here, that gasket is going to be in the kit. Go back to this and pull out that last bolt. Oh, we've got another one here. We've got this very large bolt right here, which I'm going to remove. All right, so I'm gonna have to pry this off because I can see by looking at this seam here that this cover is glued on. The engine has water in it, so I'm gonna put something under here to catch the water as it comes out. There we go. And all at once, the whole thing comes out, and we've got these sensors sticking out of the front of the case. Okay, that's our engine cover. So I'm putting these bolts back in the cover. And that, folks, is the engine front cover, having been removed.